In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change Google Chrome language back to English in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. And the moment you will observe your Google Chrome, as you can see that some of the language here are being set into the language that you won't be able to understand. So in my case, I have accidentally set the Korean language or Dango language as my display language here in my Google Chrome. So as you can see here, the new tab has been set into the Korean language as well, and everything about here. And if you would, I would navigate here at the three dots at the top right corner. As you can see that the list of settings has been set into the Korean language. So basically, I won't be able to understand such unless I am a Korean speaker. Okay? So in order to fix the problem where your Google Chrome has been set into the language that you won't understand, and if you would in order to bring this display language back to English, all you need to do is you need to navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there are three dots. Click on it, and eventually you would be able to open this right pane. So the catch here is that you will look at on the icons and not on the text because basically you won't be able to understand such unless you are a speaker of that language that you have set or that you have accidentally set. So from here, all you need to do is you need to scroll down and you can see their gear icon, which is like this. All you need to do is you need to click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would actually bring up the Chrome settings. Okay, so here at the Chrome settings, please navigate to the left pane here and you need to observe with the icons and go with this icon which has this language icon which contains an A in alphabet and in the sign, okay, which is like a language sign. So all you need to do is you need to click on it because that is actually the language settings. So here in this new section, you can see there an option which is being highlighted into blue one. Okay, all you need to do is you need to click on this one, and the moment you've clicked on it you will be able to see a search bar here. Please click on this one, and the moment you've clicked on it you need to type for English. The moment you click on it, you will be able to see a list of results. Please proceed to English United States and click on this box here and click on this blue one. So click on that and eventually it would be added here, which is being placed here at the number 2. So in order to set this as your display language here at the Google Chrome, click on the three dots aligning to it. You can see there a box. Please click on this one. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to see this blue one. Click on it and eventually, in a few moments, you will be able to relaunch your your Google Chrome here in your Windows 11. Okay. And you would be able to successfully set the English as the display language here in your Google Chrome. So if you would navigate here at the plus icon to create a new tab, you can see that the language or the text for new tab has been backed into English as well as here the search bar and everything here. Okay? So once you're good, close the window and that's it. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.